everything's flooded. It's ready to go. You can see I got some variation. That's a nice little subtle gray in there. So I couldn't have asked for better than that. I was a little concerned it was too light. I want to start with, I think I want to start with my lightest color down first, which would actually be my silver. And let's see. This is my gold mixture. Come in with my blue next. And now my teal. Now last time I did this with this color combination, I started with the brown, and what I ended up with is it took over. So I'm trying to avoid that. Kind of tilt this out just a little bit. He turned the fucking heat on. Let's talk about what I'm seeing here. I managed to get some purling here and over on this side. I'm kind of surprised I didn't get more purling. It's probably something in what I did to the paints, because last time they did purl a little better than this. I did add those drops of high flow paint, and I think I kind of like that a lot. But I don't think I could be unhappy with this piece. I love the color in play. Color play, the interplay between the colors is really about what I was hoping. I added some nickel azure gold in a couple places. Here it worked. Over here, now that it's sat, and here, since it's sat, it's starting to break up a bit, which is kind of interesting because that's pure pigment there. But I'll figure that out. I also put some teal in there too, the golden teal in there too. It did okay. A little bit of breaking up. It's something I have to learn. So this is a process. So I hope you got something out of this. Let me take you down and we'll finish this out. This has been Thursday Train, and we're back to our weekly schedule. Up next after me is going to be Just Janice, followed by August Acrylic Art, filling in for art by Julie E. this week. So stick around. Let's see what they come up with. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. As always, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you got something out of this. If you could, leave a message down in the comments if you've got something you'd like to see me do soon. Thanks again for being here. Bye for now.